Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. A very warm welcome to our special assembly today.
Theme: A Journey into the World of Buddha, discovering Sanchi Stupa. Today, our class takes a special journey to the land of peace and wisdom, the Sanchi Stupa.
Finally, we are at Sanchi Stupa, one of the oldest monuments in India. I read was built over 2000 years ago.
Here comes our guide.
Scene 2: Guide explains tourist interactions. Guide 1: Introduction to Sanchi.
Namaste! Welcome to Sanchi Stupa, built by Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BC. It's a place of peace that holds the relics of Lord Buddha.
Why did Ashoka build it?
After the Kalinga War, Ashoka gave up violence and followed Buddha's path of peace.
Guide 2: Life of Buddha. Lord Buddha was born as Prince Siddhartha. He left his palace in search of truth. After meditating under the Bodhi tree, he attained the enlightenment.
So, meditation made him wise?
Yes, that is why Bodhi tree is a scattered symbol. Guide 3: Teachings of Buddha. Buddha taught us to speak kindly, be truthful, help others. These teachings are known as Dhamma.
Even children can follow this?
Yes, when you are kind or honest, you can follow the Buddha's path. Guide for structure of the stupa.
The Sanchi Stupa is dome-shaped. It holds Buddha's laces inside. People walk around it in a circle. It is called Pradakshina. Why walk around? It is the way to show respect and devotion.
Guide for the Torans. Sanchi has 4 beautifully carved gates called Toranans. They show scenes from the Buddha's life and the Jataka tales.
What are Jataka tales?
They are stories from the Buddha's past life teaching good values. Guide 6: Buddhist symbols.
Here, Buddha is danced on a statue. Instead, we see lotus, purity, Bodhi tree, enlightenment, wheel, Dharma chakra, Buddha's teaching, empty throne, Buddha's presence, footprints, his path. Wow, symbol speaks louder than pictures.
Guide 7: Sanchi on 200 rupees note.
Sanchi Stupa is printed on our 200 rupees note. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
That means it's famous all over the world.
This place is full of peace, learning, and history.
Let us now enjoy a special song presented by the students of grade 3B.
Lotus flowers shine so bright in the water full of light. Open petals soft and white, smiling in the morning tide. Lotus flowers shine so bright, make the world feel calm and bright. Smiling Buddha, calm and kind, Buddha full of light, peaceful Buddha shining bright, bringing joy and guiding right, golden glow.
Students of grade 3B present a beautiful skit titled Unearthing Wisdom, the Borobudur Temple. Welcome to our skit Unearthing Wisdom, the Borobudur Legacy. Borobudur, the world's largest Buddhist temple, stood forgotten for centuries, buried under ash and jungle. Its rediscovery just 200 years ago sparked wonder across the world. Our journey begins in a present-day classroom where 2 students take on a history project, unaware of the incredible story they are about to uncover. Scene 1: The project begins.
I have read some facts about Borobudur, but I do not understand how it is just disappeared.
It's true, it was lost in ash for hundreds of years. Let's ask our teacher. Good question, Avi, but don't read just about it. Leave it. Let me take thought time. Are you ready? Scene 2. Let us build a monument. That is, people have decided enlightenment. It lies like a mountain, a map of the universe.
We shall build it using volcanic stones, no cement, each block curved and placed like a puzzle.
I shall take care of the carving. Stories from Buddha's life, lessons of peace and kindness.
Scene 3.
Borobudur Temple is like a giant story carved in stones. It has three main levels, like a steps on a spiritual ladder.
At the bottom is Kamadatu, the world of desire. Here the people are caught in greed, anger, and attachment.
In the middle is Rupatatu, the world of form and learning. People begin to understand life and search for truth.
At the top is Arapadatu, the world of formlessness and peace. Here the mind becomes calm like a sky.
These are not just stone levels, they show a journey of a person from wanting everything to knowing enough to needing nothing. How is the work progressing?
The base is almost ready. Stones are placed carefully just as you should ask.
And the carvings, are they following the monk's guidance?
Yes, sir. We are not the banyan. Think one cause and the moon as
Wonderful. These carvings will teach us generations to come.
We carved over 2,600 relief panels and 504 Buddha statues. We work with devotion, not just building stone, but spirit.
Scene 5.
The sky is dark, ash is falling like snow. The temple is gone, it's buried under the earth.
Lights fade. Silence follows. Scene 6.
Sir, the local citizens have carved stones underneath.
Dig carefully. These are not ordinary stones. This is a buried monument, a forgotten wonder.
Scene 7.
We honor Borobudur for its beauty, faith, and message of peace. It belongs not just to the one nation but to the all people.
Scene 8.
That was incredible. A temple built in silence, lost in time, and scared with the world.
It teaches you more than history. It teaches us peace, unity, and hope. Yes, Borobudur is a reminder, even that the world forgive wisdom finds a way to rise.
Let us know here some fascinating facts about the architectural marvel that is Borobudur, shared by grade 3B.
We will take you on a journey to discover the wonders of the Borobudur Temple at Indonesia. But first, what makes it important? UNESCO, which was founded in 1945, protects places with outstanding universal sites that are special to the whole world. In 1991, UNESCO declared Borobudur as a World Heritage Site. Let's find out why this ancient temple is treasured by people across the globe.
Ancient architecture. Borobudur was built over 1,200 years ago, using more than 2 million stones without single drop of cement. Its shape is like a giant mandala, symbol of the universe.
Stories in stone. The temple has over 2,600 carved panels that tell the stories from the life of Buddha. It's like walking through a giant comic book made of stone.
A spiritual path. Borobudur isn't just a temple, it's a spiritual journey. As you walk from the bottom to the top, you follow the path to enlightenment.
Cultural treasure. Borobudur shows the talent, devotion, and creativity of ancient Indonesian people. It's a treasure for a whole world to admire and learn from.
Living heritage. Even today, Buddhists from all over the world visit Borobudur, especially during Vesak, to pray and celebrate. Because of all these, UNESCO protects Borobudur as a World Heritage Site, so its beauty and wisdom can inspire future generations. Peace begins with stillness. Let us now enter a calm space as grade 3B leads us through a short journey of peace. Meditation.
Today we invite you on a short journey of peace inspired by ancient Borobudur Temple in Indonesia.
Long ago, monks walked in silence on Borobudur, step by step, breath by breath, living behind the noise of the world.
Let's join them. Sit still, gently close your eyes and breathe with us.
We will now sit up. Breathe in peace, breathe out worry. Breathe in kindness, breathe out anger.
Feel in silence. In this stillness, we all are connected like stones of Borobudur.
We will now sit down in silence for 30 seconds. Let's calm full your hearts. Thank you. Carry this peace with you through the day.
That's about meditation.
Meditation changes the brain. Significant studies shows that regular meditation increases gray matter in areas of the brain, memory, learning and emotion.
Meditation helps kids to boost attention, improve behavior, reduce anxiety in school-going children. Meditation slows aging. It has been time to shown to protect your DNA and improve overall health and longevity.
Famous people meditate. Steve Jobs, Oprah Winfrey, and even Albert Einstein practiced meditation or mindfulness to stay focused and creative.
It can be done anywhere. You don't need a mat, a room, or music, just a quiet mind and a few minutes. Meditation helps you stop worrying about the past or future and enjoy the correct moment.
Meditation makes you happier. It increases feel-good chemicals like serotonin and endorphins, leading to a joyful mindset.
Meditation improves concentration and memory. It strengthens the part of the brain responsible for focus, helping students learn better and remember more.